How to use two accounts in one WhatsApp. If you want to use two accounts in one WhatsApp, first of all, let me make it clear that this possible is currently only available on your Android phones and not on iPhones. Now, in order to do this, you can simply open up the WhatsApp Messenger app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Tap on the three dots from the top right. Now, in my case, you're actually finding this option called switch account because I've already added another account. So if you also want to add, you have to simply go to settings. Then here you'll find the option called account. So go to account, and here you'll find add account. Now, in my case, you're seeing remove because, as I said, I have already added an account. So you can add up to two accounts. So you can tap on that option, and then you'll be able to tap on the add account option and then add another account in like that way. So hope this video helped you as to how you can use two accounts in one WhatsApp. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.